Hello and welcome to Pets Corner Q&A with me, Jon Cox. And today we are joined by Will Bisset, co-creator of Yora Pet Foods. Hello, Will.
Hello.
So we now have a rather interesting question from Hannah on Twitter, and she says, what kind of safety regulations have you had to pass to market your food? What research has been done into checking it is a complete and balanced food?
Okay, great question. Really important one because especially with insects, there's been a lot of questions asked, is it actually going to be good for dogs? And the answer to that question is really simply, the dog market is regulated. It's regulated heavily. We work with a load of different organisations. We're actually part of the Pet Food Manufacturers Association. We've had independent nutritionists test it. We've had analytical constituent surveys done and studies done. So we know the exact amount of protein. We know how bioavailable, how usable it is. We've had the PEPs and essays done, all the other scientific research done into it. We're getting bloods back from certain dogs that are doing Yora as well, just to make sure and monitor and make sure they've got perfect levels of protein going in their blood and they're getting the right amount in the system. So the answer is heavily. Throughout the 40 recipes, each one has been tested and made sure that it's got everything right in it. We know all the ingredients are really high quality. We know they're really good for the dog, and we've got all the evidence and things to prove it as well. So, but that's a really good question and very important one to ask.
Whereas, is there anything in regards to regulations that you found a challenge when?
So not in terms of in the UK. In some of the other countries we've worked in, it is. One country that I will not name asked for a BSE free certificate. BSE is bovine spongiform, so it's just in cows. There is no other animal in the bag apart from the insect, and DEFRA will not do a test for mad cow disease if there is no cow present. So they said no, went back to the distributor and said, we can't get this for you because there are no cows in the bag. And they said, no, we really, really need to see this. So that's the kind of problem that we sometimes get, but actually it's normally about people not knowing how to categorize it. But DEFRA have categorized it. They have the same protection under law as a cow or any other farmyard animal, so they're under the Farmyard Animals Act. So you have to obviously make sure they come from the right stock, that they're fed right, that they don't have any contamination in them. We do all the really standard checks, no bacteria or problem bacteria, no viruses, no fungi, all those kind of things. Real high quality ingredients that are checked continuously. So yeah, and as far as regulations go, insects are a very new and novel thing, but there is guidance and there are regulations that we follow in all the aspects of the food that we do.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you for watching and tune in next time.